Hello viewers, welcome back to the Moose Mobile Auto Repair channel. And so today I'm just making a video for the starter replacement job on this 2010 Toyota Corolla. And this one has the 1.8 liter engine. The video I'm putting up here is from a previous video that I made back in the summertime of last year, July 2023, when I was replacing the clutch on this vehicle. And so I just decided to reuse the same video footages and just compile it to make it into a smaller video. So this one I didn't replace the starter, but I'm just I'm making this one to show you a rough idea on how to remove and reinstall the starter on this vehicle. We're just going to remove the plastic covers out of the way, the splash shield. So that is one of the bolts there for the bell housing, and then there's one down here. It's really hard to see. One right here. So now we need to remove the electrical connections for the starter motor, and then at the very end we are going to take off the last bolt here. There's a plastic a cover that needs to be taken off to get access to the nut. So this is a 12 mil nut here. Get that out of the way. We are going to clean the corrosion afterwards. After that, you should just be able to grab the starter and it should come out. If not, you may have to give it a whack with a hammer, a few light whacks. There was the starter. Here's the starter. Yeah. There's a lot of corrosion here on the copper wire. So now we need to tighten up the two bolts in the back here, and then there's one at the very bottom for the starter bolt. So all the bolts are tightened up on the side. One there. There's one over here. I installed the starter back. Just two bolts. One here. And just one in the back here, just above the fork area. Yeah. And don't forget to install the plastic inspection cover that goes on top of the starter here, where there's a gap. Remove the plastic cover in order to clean the cable for the starter cable. So I cleaned the cable. I put some dielectric grease. I'm just going to reinstall it now. So in order to take this off, you just it clips off and clips on. Just close this up. So once you tie in the nut, you can just close the plastic cover, and that's it.